Hello, dear childrens. So, how are you all? I hope everybody very fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter 9, Changing Families. As you already seen the last video, part 1, about Nimi's family and what are the changes happen in Nimi's family. How birth of a child can change the life of parents. Children's family is the most important and valuable gift that God has given us. It is the first relation in relationship children's with others. Family is really an important word. It's mean to feel secure, to have someone who you can share your problem with and respect each others. It consists of parents, children's, grandparents and other relative too. So in this chapter we discuss about the next family, that is Severing's family. So all of you childrens, watch this video up to the last so that you will understand about the next family, that is Sering family. Okay, so all of you please see the video. Childrens, what happen if you know suddenly that your father is getting promotions and he will transfer to another city? That time the new changes will happen in your family. You can also observe children's, many your school friends will come from another place, from different state, okay, because their father is getting transfer. So let's see about sharing family, what will happen to sharing's father. Okay, so all of you please watch the video.
Okay, students, now new place. Sharing's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. Yes, students, see in the picture. So Sharing father received one letters from office, and that letter, whatever he received from office, Sharing father showed the letter to his family. Okay, how do you think the different member would have felt? Okay, students. So is that they are happy to receive such a letter because he need to move to the new city, new place. Okay, so students, if anyone in family member received a promotion letter, that means their salary increase. Okay, they got a good position in the office and they will transfer, that means moving to one place to another place. So when Sharing father shows the letter to family members, we're happy. Okay. Sharing was also very happy because he would have to go to a new town, but Sharing father, mother, and grandparents were slightly anxious as they had to make all the arrangement in a new town. Understood, students? So that's the reasons what they feel. Now, what will change in Sharing families after his father transfer? For example, who from Sharing's family will live with his father at the new place?
So, children's, has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? Just think and write down the answer. What do you feel about this change, children's? So, children's, you know very well In our life, change is very important as it is common to change place because of some work, some other responsibility. Okay, so in fact, we should feel happy as we get a chance to visit a new place, right? A new state, a new uh, places we see new things, different person we meet. So that's the reason change is okay. I think so. What you are thinking, please, childrens, you will write your answer by your own. Childrens, if you visit to new place, there will be new people, new language, new food, new friends also. Now children, see one video.
What happened, Sheila? You look very upset.
Hello, Meenu. Hello, Chinu. I met Shama now. She said that she is going to Kolkata.
Is she going there for a holiday?
No, Chinu. Her father has been transferred to Kolkata. So, their family is shifting to Kolkata. She is going with her parents and her brother.
Oh no! Shyama is shifting to Kolkata? When is she leaving? Is she going tomorrow itself?
No, she's not going tomorrow. Her parents have some work left to finish here. They will leave only after they finish their work here.
Work? What kind of work?
Oh, that Shama said that they have lots of work. All their things have to be packed. They have to go to our school and inform our headmistress that Shama and her brother will not be coming to school anymore.
Oh, so they will not come to school anymore? What will they do when they go to Kolkata? Will they join another school?
Yes, Chinu. She will have to take admission in another school in Kolkata.
Oh, she will have to go to a new school then? Who are going to Kolkata?
Shama, her brother, her mother, and her father are all going to Kolkata. Her grandmother and grandfather are staying back here in the village.
Oh, so they will be here? Sheila, how is Shama feeling? Is she happy to go to Kolkata?
No, Meenu. Shama is not happy with her father's transfer. She does not want to go to Kolkata.
She does not want to go to Kolkata. But why?
Because she does not want to leave our village and her grandparents. She also does not want to leave us all and go.
I know, she must be upset. But all her friends cannot go with her to Kolkata. But why can't her grandparents go to Kolkata and stay with her?
Their house in Kolkata is very small, Chinu. It does not have enough space for lots of people. Shama's father will take them to Kolkata once they shift to a bigger house. And Shama's grandparents also don't want to leave this village and go to Kolkata.
I can understand how they feel. If Meenu and Chinu's papa were to look for a job in the town, I would also tell him the same. I have stayed in this village all my life. In my old age, I cannot leave all the people I have known for so many years and stay in a city. I like the fresh air and calm life of a village. In the city, there is lots of pollution, and life is so hurried.
So is city life bad, Grandma?
No, Chidu, it is not like that. We cannot say that city life is good or village life is good. Both are good in some ways and bad in some ways. Everyone has to decide what they want to do. They have to decide what is good for them.
That's right. That's right, Grandma. But when someone moves for the first time to a city or a village, they will feel sad because they will miss their friends. Sheila, if Shama is sad, we should go and meet her and try to cheer her up. Come, let's go now. Hello, Shama. How are you? Shama, Sheila told us that you are shifting to Kolkata. Has your father got a transfer to Kolkata? Hello, everyone. Yes, Meenu. My father is transferred to Kolkata. So, we are moving there soon. Sheila told us that you are sad. Why, Shama? Don't you feel good about shifting to Kolkata? No, Meenu. I don't feel very good. I don't want to leave our village. I will miss my grandparents and all of you. But I have no choice but to go there. Shama, cheer up. Don't feel bad. You will join a new school there and you will have many new friends. You can write letters to us and we will also write letters to you. But I don't want to go and leave Grandma, Grandpa and all you friends behind. How will I adjust in the new place? What if I don't like the place?
Don't think like that, Shama. Why will you not like the new place? We have to accept new things. It will be different when you go to a new place. Some things may be better than this place also. Some things may not be good. So don't feel bad. You will adjust and start liking the new place. Anyway, you can come during the holidays. We will play and have lots of fun.
So, childrens, what a nice story about Shama and how much she loves her grandparents. How much you love childrens, your grandparents. Please write in comments. And childrens, as you know, Shama father is transferred to Kolkata. You see, even she doesn't want to leave her village and she misses her grandparents so much. How much she loved to her grandparents. So childrens, in our life, grandparents is very important. They are the one who take all decisions in the family. Right, children? So you also write about your grandparents. Now children, here is some questions. Let's see. Do it in your class or copy.